Hello, and welcome to the Itelligence quick demonstration of the it.Shop Floor Cockpit. Today we're going to be walking through the cockpit and really showing you how you can have simple and easy time entry for your workers that are out on the shop floor. In order to start this process, we're going to first go to an actual production order inside of the SAP landscape. This is an overview of the production order and the operations that need to take place as a part of the work order. You see we have 4 operations that we can execute, and we don't have any confirmed quantities or time posted against these yet. We have not done any work against this actual individual work order inside of the SAP landscape. What the shop floor cockpit allows us to do is have a quick, easy, and simple way to post time in real time against this individual work order. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on this individual production order inside of SAP. We're going to transition to our time entry cockpit. So this is that simplified view that a user can have in order to execute that time against the system. And you'll see it has a keyboard on the screen to allow for touchscreen capabilities, and also has an actual time and date counter. And this is what we're going to utilize to post time against our actual work order. So a user can come in and insert their individual PIN code and then enter to the time entry system. Now inside of this view of part of the shop floor cockpit, they can execute and put in the work order that they're operating against. So they can simply enter in the work order as well as the step in the process that they're working on. Very simple and very easy is the key here. Once they've entered in that data and information, they simply clock into the work order. Now at this time, inside of the SAP landscape, the time is continuing to elapse, and it is taking that time and actually putting that against the production order itself once we clock out. So, for example, a user of yours would be on the shop floor, come over to their terminal, enter in their PIN code and work order that they're operating on, simply clock in, then return to their workstation to perform the work. Maybe they're assembling, maybe they're doing some testing, whatever it may be. Then they can return back to their terminal and actually post and clock out of this order, which automatically posts the actual time against the work order. A few things I want to mention is that number one, you can have thresholds on this time, right? So in our internal system, we have a minimum of a minute that can be posted. If you want to have thresholds in terms of planned versus actual time, it can't be an hour less or an hour more than actuals without approval. A lot of that can be incorporated inside of the system itself. Once our shop floor worker returns to their terminal, they can simply enter in their PIN number again via either a keyboard or the on-screen view. They can simply return back, and now you can see the work order that they're executing on currently. So once they enter, it gives them a timestamp of a date and timestamp of when they are posting. It also tells them the order as well as the step that they're on and how much quantity is open. Now we have some ability to enter data if we'd like. So number one is the yield. How many of these have we made? So in this instance, we're going to say we made all 10 of what's open. We can also post machine or setup time as well. So if you want to have the user posting labor time, utilizing the clock, which is what we're going to be doing today, and then also incorporating machine time, they can do that inside of this view as well. So if they just want to post, in this case, 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and say this is the final confirmation. Once they've entered in, again, very simple and easy amount of data, they can simply click the clock out button. This allows them to post that time in real time against that individual work order. It can be that simple and that easy for your shop floor workers. We're going to return to that production order, and we're actually going to see the update in real time. So we're going to go back into the work order. We're going to take a look at those operations. You'll now see that we've yielded 10 units for every one of those steps, utilizing milestone confirmations. You can also see the actual time that we've posted over here on the right. So it's actually taking into account that 2 minutes that we are clocked into that individual order from the labor time of this individual item. The shop floor cockpit is a great and easy way to execute time on the fly very quickly and very easily inside of your SAP landscape. For more information about the shop floor cockpit or other Itelligence proprietary items, please visit the Itelligence ad store at adstore.itelligencegroup.com. Thank you.